today sa Ananuri Fortress.
Hello, Kai and Cute.
Ananuri Fortress. Quick facts lang, no? Kung nakikita niyo yung tower na yan sa taas, dyan daw sinusunog yung mga prisoner before. Yan guys, may mga available din dito mga costume. Kung gusto nyong isuot. May munti kang mahulog na bata. Delikado pa rin talaga. I'm inside one of the kulungan. Ayan, basa ang daan ngayon. Parang Batanes term.
Kaya nga eh. Parang Batanes, mama. Parang Batanes.
Ah, Batanes.
Okay.
Kaya pa siya, Jumeds. Kanilang hot air balloon. And here's the wine ice cream.
Ma, what's that? Smallest clock.
First pork shawarma. Wala nito sa UAE.
How is it?
Hello everyone, good morning. It is our day 3 at Georgia. Medyo maulan ngayon. Sana safe po rin kayo mamaya. And mag-enjoy po rin kami kahit medyo maulan. Ayan, basa ang daan ngayon. Wala namin today is Ananuri and Gaudari tour. Medyo malayo siya kaya maagang gising namin today. See you later. Peace out. Hello baby. Tulog pa si Kuya Christoph. Buti pa si baby. Gising na. See you later.
This is my apo. Ready to go. That's why hirap. Napaka-ising ayusan. Come on, baby.
Drinking vitamins. Do you like it?
You need to do it.
Oh, sige, okay.
Very good.
Good job.
You like it, Christoph? Very good. Day 3 of breakfast. Same pa din lahat. Ang nabago lang ay may sausages. And the rest are the same. But it's okay.
Hi.
You have cheddar cheeses. Salami, some veggies, and bread. That's it. Oh, what's that? Parang sugar nila.
Oo. Kakaibang sugar. Parang
Parang honey.
honey na something.
Pahit na naman. You like it?
Masarap yung sausage niya. Sarap yung sausage niya, no?
It's a rainy day today at Georgia. Ananuri Fortress. Wow. We are now at Ananuri Fortress. Maulan. Hinangin na nga yung payong namin. Medyo nasira siya ng konti. Maulan ang umaga dito sa Georgia. At sobrang lamig. Si Baby nasa loob para hindi siya maambunan.
Come on, Crystal.
The clothes for that.
Yes. It's rainy. It's a little rainy.
That is
It's very cold today and rainy.
That is for cold to go there.
Mm-hmm.
This is the room. This room.
Mamu. Ang daming aso, no? Ano bang kulay? Blue yata eh. Blue. Mabait. Meron sila mga clips sa tenga. Kapag blue, mabait. Kapag yellow, medyo aggressive. Pag red, huwag mo na daw hawakan. Kasi, yun daw yung talagang mga sobrang aggressive. Nasira ang aming payong sa sobrang lakas ng hangin. Mm-mm. Welcome to Ananuri Fortress. Yung sinasabi ko sa inyo guys, kapag yung tag sa tenga ay color blue, mabait sila. They're very friendly. But if it is yellow or red, huwag daw hawakan kasi it was tagged as aggressive dogs. I'm not sure kung anong name ng lake na to, pero sobrang breathtaking siya. Here's my lovely wife, Charmaine. And my handsome Christoph. High five. And si Mama. Okay, enjoy siya mag-picture-picture. Mama! Baka matapakan mo yung aso, ah. Ito yung view ng Ananuri Fortress. Para siyang unending lake. Hindi siya natatapos na lake.
Patempo.
Picturean ko yung apo ko. Yan. Yaman.
Yes, like that. One. Smile, look at me. Look at
Ganda,
me.
no?
Ay, nakita si Ro.
Come on, let's go there.
Christoph, you want to take a bath? Take a bath here. You want or no?
Anak, papasok ka ba doon?
Dirty.
Yeah, it's dirty. I'm just joking you.
Eh, no, papasok ka ba doon?
YouTube.
Careful, ha?
Можно залезть на эту стражевую башню? Надо. Тебе понравится как раз. Чисто такой землеход и... Вот там. Да, вот оттуда сейчас поднимешь, видите, как поднимается.
Pasok tayo sa tala.
Hi guys, habang nagpipicturean sila, quick facts lang, no? Kung nakikita niyo yung tower na yan sa taas, dyan daw sinusunog yung mga prisoner before. Dito sa fortress na to. Ayan, zoom natin. Medyo creepy pero that's the history, so I'm just sharing.
Okay, one.
Rest in peace sa mga soul na sinunog sa place na yan. Ayan, nagpicture taking si Christoph and Lola.
Christoph, look. You're not listening again to Mama.
Guys, may mga available din dito mga costume. Kung gusto nyong isuot while nandito sa Ananuri Fortress. Ano siya? 10 gel. 10 lari. Georgian lari. Pero hindi na namin itatry. Akyat kayo? Akyat? Okay. Careful lang, careful.
Hindi ko rin mga tao mo.
Itatry daw nilang umakyat. Matapang ang mga bata at si Lola. Makitita ang dana. Ingat. Christoph, say hi. Okay.
Only on the first door. Kasi go to the first, yan. May maganda mag-picture dyan, no? Nildo ko sa baba.
May muntik kang mahulog na bata. Delikado pa rin talaga. Hi. I'm inside one of the kulungan, if I'm not wrong, dito sa Ananuri Fortress.
It's okay, it's okay. No.
May munti ka na madulas doon. Kaya nga.
Sa isang bato.
Andun pa nga ako sa lobby, namunti ka siyang mahulog. Kaya ingat talaga. Tsaka medyo ano kasi madulas kasi umulan. Thanks God, everyone is safe. Sa taas.
Ayun o, yung kumakawayo.
May kamay? Naku.
Ano kamay? Ayun o, kumakawayo.
Diyan dati mama sinusunog yung mga prisoner nila. According to the history. Baka ano yan? Baka isa yun sa mga
Butas eh.
Hindi kaya isa yun sa mga nasunog before. Nagpapakita kay mama.
Tama.
Christoph, someone is nagpapakita kay Lola.
Wala ka nakikita ng Clark ibon.
Doon sa isang butas na yun, no?
Oh, tinignan ko ngayon nasa pin. Yung taas, tsaka yung pangalawa. Wala. Paragliding pala dun.
Talaga? With my Wonder Mamu. Traveling with my baby.
No, go to the hotel.
Going back yet to the hotel. Not yet. We have other places to go.
Paglabas pala ng Ananuri Fortress, meron ding mga shops, mini shops like this. Pwede kang makabili ng mga authentic honey, oranges, drinks, some souvenirs.
같이 모여서 갈게요.
Ayan, mga pang winter clothes nila. Ref magnets. Souvenirs. Telescope. Knife. Ayan, meron sila mga tourist pass. Para mga Korean yung mga nationality nila. Mababait din sila. Mga happy people din. Mga always smiling. Yan, konting walk tour lang para parang nadadala namin kayo sa aming family trip today sa Ananuri Fortress. Ano sa inyo pala guys, meron din silang paragliding activity. Zoom natin. I don't know if you can see it. Ayan. Medyo malayo, kaya zoom ko lang. But anyway, meron silang paragliding activities dito kung gusto nyo. Okay, yun lang. Batanes term.
Kaya nga eh. Parang Batanes, mama. Parang Batanes.
Ah, Batanes. Ang ganda.
Summer is starting now. Please. Men alltså plus att silda sig.
We're now here at restaurant sa Gaudari Ski Resort. So that's their menu.
Medyo malito yung itlog.
Come on. Go, go. Ito yung cable car. But unfortunately, it was closed. So,
Mama, Dad, I want to go.
oh, it's wet, Christoph. Oh, it's wet. You cannot slide. Oh my goodness. Oh, come here. It is wet. Next time, okay?
I'm sad.
Yeah, me also. Are you sad?
Yeah.
I'm also sad because the cable car is closed. Oh, just look at the look at the cows. Look at the cows. Come on.
Look, this is not a playground. Then to scared. But I'm sad.
Are you sad?
Yeah, but I want to play in the playground.
I'm also sad because the cable car is not working. It's under maintenance. And the slide is is wet. How can we use it?
How?
I don't know how.
How?
Next time, okay?
Okay.
Love you.
I love you.
He's sad. Malungkot siya. Yay! Are you happy?
Yeah.
Yeah, kakain muna kami. Try namin kumain muna for 1 hour. Then, itatry ulit yung Georgian Armenian Monument kung hindi na siya foggy. Sobrang foggy kaganina. So, dalawang place yung hindi namin mapupuntahan today, if ever. Itong cable car na under maintenance and 100% hindi na siya pwede. And then yung Georgian Russian Monument. Kaso sobrang foggy, wala kang makita. Hindi namin makita kung nasaan yung place. So, tayo namin bumalik kaganina. Ay, mamaya.
Hey, tissue for the slide, but I need to wipe.
Okay, we'll see later, okay?
Okay.
Okay, open the door. Come on, open the door.
But it's not involved but this one. It's a ball over there. It's not a playground.
Bata, so punasan daw natin. Sabi ni Christoph, get tissue. Put tissue, dada. Yan, nakasurvive siya. Ayan. Tagumpay siya.
And how
You ordered salad, pepperoni pizza, and red sauce. Thank you.
Vivi.
What do you want? You want pizza?
Vivi.
Vivi first?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll come with one.
Never thought I'd believe in miracles. You made me realize that you're the only one. Don't need to tell me what the future holds. Oh, I'll be fine, 'cause we'll be laying in the sun. So you can let your head down. I'll hide all of your worries away, and we don't have to go now. I wish I could live this life on replay. Don't need to make plans, it's all in your hands. I'm too busy, I'm spending all my time with you.
Say hi, Mama.
Hi, Mama.
Thank you, Mama.
Thank you, Mama.
I love you, Mama. I love you so much, Mama.
Look, I'm pizza. Please.
Hi-Fi Ukraine. Sanda ka dito?
Christoph, sit down, please.
Okay.
Scissors. Okay. Kaya pala siya, Jumebs. Ooh, smoky.
Carbonara for Cristo.
Yeah.
Hey, Mama.
Pepperoni
My
pizza.
brother's two is old. Brother's two is old.
Brothers what?
Two is old.
No, he's only 8 months old.
Oh, it's two is old.
Gusto niya kumain.
I'm strong.
Yeah.
Pizza makes you healthy.
Yeah.
This is not, it's healthy food.
Yeah.
You can eat
Yeah, eat na kami.
pizza, is yummy. It's hot. This is hot also, see? Oh, what's this? Tamarada.
This is cheese.
Where's cheese? I don't know that. It's my tamarada and my pizza.
Nandyan, zipper mo. Nandyan na, walang ibabaw.
Very good.
There's no one. Yeah. Oh, look at my brother. Smile.
Promise naman mag big bike. Big bike days. Sana all. Ayaw na kasi ako magmotor ng isa dyan. Yan. Ayaw na ako magmotor niyan. So, babay na sa pagmumotor.
Right? Yeah.
Mama!
Hi.
Where are we going?
We're going to the
Boating.
We're going to the boat.
But I need to baby.
Yeah, there. You will meet me there. Okay? Where's baby? This is a cable car. Here's the hot air balloon.
See that?
And this is the glass bridge. Glass bridge over. Bridge of Peace. Mag-CR si Christoph, hingi na daw siya. Asano sila yate? You are going to the boat?
To the boat. To the boat. To the boat.
I'm not sure kung ito yung Gorgasali statue. So we are going and do some boating. May ganun bang setup? Boating. We're going to the boat. Mama, sige na. Pasok na kayo. Thank you.
And the white one, which is a Katikfen.
Thank you. Thank you. Saan ba yung harapan?
Go down to the boat. Go down. Sit.
Hi, Charm.
Hi.
Dahil- We're moving.
What's that building? Look at that.
Never thought I'd believe in miracles. You made me realize that you're the only one. Don't need smile light up the darkest rooms. I'll put your love on top, 'cause I know you will too. You get more beautiful like flowers bloom. I've never felt this yet, it feels like deja vu. So you can let your hair down, I'll hide all of your worries away, and we don't have to go now. I wish I could live this life on replay. So you can let your hair down, I'll hide all of your worries away, and we don't have to go now. I wish I could live this life on replay. Don't need to make plans, it's all in your hands. I'm too busy, I'm spending all my time with you. Driving through the states, don't know what to wait. It don't matter, I'm spending all my time with you. I'm spending all my time, I'm spending all my time with you. I'm spending all my time, I'm spending all my time with you. Never thought I'd believe in miracles. You made me realize that you're the only one. Don't need to tell me what the future holds. Oh, I'll be fine, 'cause we'll be laying in the sun. So you can let your hair down, I'll hide all of your worries away, and we don't have to go now. I wish I could live this life on replay. Don't need to make plans, it's all in your hands. I'm too busy, I'm spending all my time with you. Driving through the states, don't know what to wait. It don't matter, I'm spending all my time with you. I'm spending all my time, I'm spending all my time with you. Oh, I'm spending all my time, I'm spending all my time with you. I've seen your smile light up the darkest rooms. I'll put your love on top, 'cause I know you will too. Never thought I'd believe in miracles. You made me realize that you're the only one. Don't need to tell me what the future holds. Oh, I'll be fine, 'cause we'll be laying in the sun. So you can let your head down. I'll hide all of your worries away, and we don't have to go now. I wish I could live this life on replay. Don't need to make plans, it's all in your hands. I'm too busy,
Ito pala yung kinakasinan ko.
Hot air balloon.
Oo. Nandito pala sa...
Pero dyan lang yan.
dito pala yan sa ano. Nandito pala. Akala ko nasa Abu Dhabi tayo.
Hot air balloon.
And balloon!
Hot air balloon.
Hot and balloon, I need to go there.
Hello everyone. We are now here at Wright Park, Georgia. We will try now the wine ice cream. Tignan natin kung masarap and kung lasa nga siyang wine.
We'll see if there is for little kids.
Sa likod ko ay ang kanilang hot air balloon. And here's the wine ice cream. Wine ice cream. Let's go! Ito yung kanilang wine barrel. And wine ice cream. Hi, wine ice cream? We don't have wine. Finish?
Sad also. Because you're so dramatic. Ay, ito ang ganda. Okay.
Ikaw.
Nandyan kami kaganina sa baba during the boat ride. Ngayon nandito na kami mismo sa glass bridge na tinatanaw lang namin kanina.
Hello, welcome. Hello, would you like to check out?
Nowadays, but this was something which was super typical by that time. Nowadays, I would say that not a lot of the youngsters are interested in carpet making their model because of the fact that when I speak over this time, one person for the guy that
Sinasabi ni ano
Matumi.
Hey guys, sa isipan naming lakad-lakad. Yan si Mama. Hi Mama.
Hello.
Walk trip kami. Walkathon. Yan. 6 minutes.
Спасибо.
Chilling now in my man in the table, man in the table.
Hi, Mama.
Hello, we are now here at the, what kind of place?
We're on the way to the clock tower.
We're going to the clock tower. Hi.
Hi. We're on the way to Clock Tower.
Parang city-city rin yung yung Batumi.
Oh.
Pero dito lang yan eh. Kaya lang tayo. Kaya lang paikot-ikot lang yung mga kalakyan. Sa mga happy hour. Happy hour. Sinantaan na ng buong halaman. Aba yan. Palagi.
Is that the smallest clock?
Nagkaroon akong ganyan kaliit.
Picture kita siya. Mama, upo ka sa gitna. Speaker siya. Bango.
Would you like some drinks?
May tira siguro?
No.
Thank you.
From here or take away?
Here. Here na lang ba?
Here na lang here.
By card or cash?
Cards.
Yes, 64.25.
and Mama. Spider.
Kristo! Show the camera how big it is. Show it. Wow! Okay guys. So, punlahan niya. First pork shawarma.
Tingnan ko.
Wala nito sa UAE. First bite.
Hindi, kanilang maliit. What do you think?
Yeah, good.
Good? Hindi, pero kanilang maliit. How is it? Baka makain. Magbibideo daw siya. What can you say about the food?
Yummy.
Yummy? Are you happy with your shawarma?
Just this one tissue, oh. On your face.
Happy? Natin mo sa baby. Diba sa baby? Natampak niya rin.
Yeah.
That's so tiny. What is that? Oh, opo.